Stamp is the first AI native email client, but it's more than just an email client. It's like a second brain. Stamp can reply to emails in your voice with global context of your mailbox. It can automatically organize your emails to make sure that you can filter out the noise and focus on the things that truly matter to you. And it automatically generates summaries and action items for every single email that you receive. Let me show you how it works. What you see on your screen here is my inbox. And the first thing that you'll probably notice is that there's no email previews cluttering up the screen. This is intentional. Stamp automatically categorizes and groups all of your emails so that you can focus on the ones that truly matter. Specifically, you'll see at the very top, we have customer inquiries, which are really important high priority emails that I always want to respond to. If we expand some of these other categories, like newsletters, you'll see a bunch of hackathon newsletters. You'll see, LinkedIn notifications. If I expand other, you'll see a bunch of Google security alerts, all things that would have cluttered up my inbox and taken away focus from the thing that truly matter. The other thing I want to emphasize here is that even though I can click on emails and, manually assign a label to them or modify the label if Stamp classifies them incorrectly, most of this work is done for me automatically by Stamp as soon as I get a new email. Grouping the emails, naming the categories, all of it is done automatically for me without any manual effort or keyword matching on my part. The other thing to notice is that all of my emails have auto-generated summaries right here at the top as soon as I click on them. No more needing to copy paste the entire thread into an LLM or hitting generate and waiting 10 seconds for a summary to appear. As soon as I open my email, the summary and the action items are already there, ready for me. Speaking of action items, if you look at the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see that Stamp automatically maintains a list of action items for me extracted from all of my emails. If we had somehow missed this customer inquiry, all we would have to do is look at our action items, click on it, and you can see that the relevant thread automatically appears. Let's take a look at what this thread is all about. So without even needing to read the email, if we look at the summary, you'll see that we received an inquiry from a potential customer about Stamp's pricing, free trial details, and best features. And we have an action item that reminds us to respond to this email. Now, although I could reply to this email manually, Stamp can actually do it for me in my voice. All I need to do is hit this auto-generate reply button, type, right about our free trial period, hit submit, and Stamp will use its global context of my inbox to write an informed reply in my voice. As you can see, Stamp automatically highlights that we offer a free trial period of 1 month during which you can explore all of Stamp's features without any additional obligation. And it also mentions that after the trial, you can keep using Stamp for free with certain advanced features like summaries and action items disabled, which is absolutely correct. In addition to that, the original email asked about our best features, and although this is a decent response, I actually want it to be more tailored and talk about specific features that Stamp has. So to edit this response, rather than having to regenerate the whole thing or trying to prompt an LLM to regenerate it, all I have to do is highlight it, enter editing instructions, and Stamp will automatically replace only this portion of text with the updated version. In this case, I want to talk about Stamp's powerful reply generation capabilities and the fact that it's completely contextualized, along with its organization capabilities. So let's write that down. Talk about Stamp's reply generation and categorization abilities. And as soon as we hit submit, Stamp will instantly edit that piece of text, leaving the rest of the email unchanged. And as you can see, without explicitly mentioning the fact that Stamp automatically contextualizes your replies, we have in our response that the reply generation automatically drafts responses based on context, saving you time and maintaining consistency in communication. And it goes on to talk more about the categorization capabilities, so on and so forth. We see even more information here about pricing that is completely accurate and pulled from other emails that I've sent from this account. So this email looks good to go. Let's hit send and mark this action item as completed. And so that's been the demo of Stamp. There's a ton more that it could do. Like for example, if you manually create a label and classify emails into that label, Stamp will automatically classify new emails that are similar into that label. There's a semantic search where you can search through your inbox in plain English and find relevant emails without knowing the keywords. And we're continuing to ship new features every single day that truly make Stamp your second brain. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you.